potatoes, such as French fries, are a popular snack, but they can have some negative health effects if consumed in large quantities. Here are some of the side effects of eating fried potatoes. Increased risk of cancer. Fried potatoes contain a chemical called acrylamide, which is a known carcinogen. High in calories. Fried potatoes are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain if consumed in large quantities. High in fat. Fried potatoes are high in unhealthy fats, which can increase the risk of heart disease and other health problems. High in salt. Fried potatoes are often high in salt, which can contribute to high blood pressure and other health problems. Increased risk of mortality. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consume fried potatoes on a regular basis have a higher risk of mortality compared to those who don't. It's important to note that consuming fried potatoes in moderation is unlikely to cause any significant health problems. However, if you're concerned about the negative health effects of fried potatoes, you may want to consider limiting your consumption or choosing healthier alternatives.